Jasmycoin has eventually invalidated this bearish order block. So when we came there, we got a rejection. I specifically told you guys we were going to get a bounce from around 0.01 zone, which was what we did. We got a clean bounce from there, and that bounce was the bounce that finally invalidated the bearish order block. We flipped it into a support and then got a massive rally to the upside all the way to around 0.0178, almost, yeah. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the amount of Jasmycoin you need to hold in order to be a millionaire in the coming altcoin season. We are also going to briefly talk about the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame, the orders chart on the weekly time frame, the BTC price on the daily weekly time frame, and also the total 2 altcoin market cap excluding BTC on the daily time frame. Now let's talk about Jasmycoin real quick. Before we talk about that, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, in case you're new, my name is Isaac. Please subscribe to this channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you are yet to like this video, smash the like button, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Now, Jasmy price is up 16% in the last 24 hours. Market cap up 16%. Market cap currently seated at $859 million, which is massive if you ask me. Trading volume is gradually increasing. We are currently seated at 135,583,460. Okay, $2. You understand? Market trading volume is up 152%. I like this. We need to start seeing our trading volume head back to the billions of dollars zone. By the time the trading volume start getting there, we should begin to expect Jasmy to be in billions of dollars of market cap. Now, considering the maximum supply, the total supply, and also the circulating supply, which is seated at 49.44 billion Jasmycoin, you don't even need Jasmycoin to get to what was it called, $1 before making you $1 million from Jasmycoin. Now let's assume you are investing a 24 or technically 25, let's just say $25,000, 24, technically $25,000 on the Jasmycoin in the current price, which is around 0.017. You are going to be getting 1.4 million. You're going to be getting 1,441,300 Jasmycoin you get. And by the time Jasmycoin market cap gets to $34 billion, you should be expecting a return on your investment of over $1 million. Now, considering the current market cap, which is $859 million for Jasmycoin, multiplied by 40x, if you multiply it by 40x, we're going to be getting a $34 billion market cap. Now, by the time Jasmycoin gets to that $34 billion market cap, we should be expecting a 40x move. That is over 4,000% move. So the price should have been sitting around 72 cents by then. So by the time Jasmycoin price get to 72 cents, you should be expecting a over $1 million return on your $25,000 investment on Jasmycoin. So 72 cents is the price target you should be targeting if you are investing $25,000 now at this current price in order to make $1 million. Now, the chart is gradually heading to the 2 cent zone. This 2 cent zone is an extremely important level, both on the daily time frame and on the 4-hour time, both on the higher time frames and also on the lower time frames. I told you guys by the time we get to this zone, which is around 0.018 level, we should be expecting a correction for the price of Jasmycoin. That was exactly what happened. Now, I think that zone is a minor resistant level. So sooner or later, we should consolidate here for a while and then rally to the 2 cent zone, get a retracement from the 2 cent zone, then bounce back from around 0.018 and then take out the 2 cent zone eventually. The moment we are closing few at least few daily candles above the 2 cent zone, then it's going to be a massive moonshot rally for Jasmycoin to the upside. If you guys are paying attention to the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame, we are currently left with 6 days and 15 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Now, we are currently getting a bounce from the zone I told you guys we were going to retrace to. Now, we've flipped that zone into a support. If care is not taken, we might see the BTC dominance continue to pump to around maybe 65.23%. But I think that pump is not going to be significant enough to send the entire altcoin market dipping again, you get. So sooner or later we should lose this support zone, break below it, flip it into a resistance, and then begin aggressively dumping to the downside. I think I'm expecting a first profit target of around a first retracement target of around 61.89% on the BTC dominance. By the time that is happening, altcoin market are going to explode harder. The rotation season is coming. The period where BTC, liquidity will start flowing from BTC into high cap altcoins. So you guys need to hold your altcoins very, very well. By the time the liquidity rotation begins, the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space are the one going to get the first set of liquidity rotation and also external liquidity injection. So when those ones are done moving, then we can start expecting low cap coin to rally aggressively to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention to the current orders chart, the orders chart is now following the same footstep, the same pattern this one left behind. Previously, when this pattern was formed, that was in 2024, several months ago, when the pattern was formed, we broke above it, flipped it into a support, and then got a massive rally in over 5 weeks to the upside, which over $260 billion was added to the market. I'm talking about the orders chart market. Now, this is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, same pattern flipped and also flashed in 2025. Now, we broke above it as usual, just like we did in 2024, flipped it into a support, and we have now successfully closed a massive guard candle on the weekly time frame. Now, this next week candle has also opened bullishly, even above the previous bullish weekly candle we closed. We are currently at $281 billion for the orders chart market cap. I think soon the rally is going to take out this previous high around $491 billion, which was the previous high of the last market cycle, November 2023. Considering the alignment with the altcoin season, I think considering the alignment with the altcoin season and the BTC dominance drop, by the time the BTC dominance start retracing aggressively, and you see the BTC price pumping aggressively to the upside, then just know altcoins are going to be in a parabolic phase by then. So I think the orders chart is going to align with the BTC dominance drop and also the alt season this time around. And if that is happening, then the move for the orders chart is going to be diabolical this time around. Is going to be mind-blowing. We might tap into the zone, $600 billion zone, $700 billion zone. Like I've said countless times, we might even go beyond that to $1 trillion in market cap for the orders chart, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. This is not the time to even consider panic selling at all or losing patience. If you're paying attention, the BTC price on the weekly time frame, BTC has closed the highest weekly candle ever, which is currently, I think it briefly touched $23,000 technically, and is now currently down to $122,000. So by the time BTC cools off I think, and the BTC dominance start retracing, I think the liquidity should rotate from BTC into our altcoins. Now, if you're paying attention to the total 2 market cap excluding BTC, now the total 2 market cap is currently seated at $1.3 trillion. We are left with 14 hours and 28 minutes until this current daily candle closes. Now, I think we can begin to make more massive move to around $1.4 trillion before getting a retracement from there, maybe back to around $1.28 trillion. The next move from that $1.28 trillion is likely to take us close to this previous high, which was around $1.6 trillion. The moment we are flipping the $1.5 trillion into a support, then we should expect a moonshot above $2 trillion for the total 2 market cap excluding BTC. That's that for that. Please, if you're here to like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Isaac. Peace out.